Hey guys, so I've worked with this dummy, was 3 times, maybe 4 times a week, and I've been doing it now for 11 weeks. I've had this dummy for a while, but I haven't really worked on it hard as I have been during the magic program. Because of that, and the amount of pressure and the amount of yanking that you're putting on the equipment itself, this happens. I had to put tape on this wrist here because, it looks like the insides are starting to come out. So what I'm going to do today, I want to try to sew it up. So wish me luck, and I'll show you what happens. First things first, I got to take the tape off this mess that I put on here. It means it's going to be a little sticky. That's all right. Either that or the whole hand comes out when I'm working on it. Kind of kept it okay for a while, but even still with all the yanking and everything you do with it, it does tend to mess it up, so it opens up the hands. So I'm gonna shove what I can in here. The little OR in this dummy is funny because if you think about it, this thing tries to beat you up every chance it gets. So right now the goal is to do the best I can and do some kind of repair to it. So I'm just checking to make sure there's nothing else that's broken. I got some loose threads here, which thank goodness, I brought a little bit of, trimming gear. So, let's see here. Get rid of the residual stuff that comes out. So basically what it was, it's a little strap here that holds this part of the arm. I'm assuming that's similar, it's supposed to be the elbow. But whatever happens, just the thread just came out. This is supposed to be really nice and tight up against it like you see here. But it came off. Not much you can do about it, just clean it. Try to reduce it as much as you can with threads that are out there that gets pulled and so forth. But other than that, I look at the whole thing. That's the only issue I've got right now is this wrist. Like I said, I'm gonna try to sew it up. So I went out and bought a needle kit that has the half hoop type needles, which allows me the ability to go inside and pull it. I can't just use regular thread. I went out and got upholstery thread, so hopefully it'll be a nice stronger thread and keep this nice and tight. I'm going to go a few times through it, and so that try to keep some stability into it and try to reduce the damage. One of the things that I wanted to stress about why I like using the dummy is, like anything else, if I put this much stress on a human being, chances are you're hurting their ligaments, you're hurting their wrist, and a lot of damage is done on the physical body. By doing it, by putting all the stress and by putting all the pressure on this dummy, it allows me to truly go in at 100% and not worry whether or not I'm going to hurt my partner. This is my partner, but this is the dummy I use, and this is the dummy that gets all the abuse, as you can see. So my goal is to fix it, and then we'll go from there. All right. All right, guys. I went ahead and I'm going to use a smaller needle here. Notice it's round. It allows me to be able to feed it underneath the material. I got the thread ready to go. So, wish me luck, guys. Let's see here. All right, guys. This is a little bit harder than I thought, so I had to go out and give me a little thimble and try to find a different angle to it. So hopefully this will start working. Alright guys, tried different methods. This time I went and got a some pliers. Still using the same needle, but I realized I'm not having enough force to get underneath and during that twist. So now with using the pliers, it's helped me a little bit. I was able to get what I wanted. I changed the direction of when I'm putting the needle in, and more from the wrist up into the rest of the arm, which allows me now the ability to get where I need to get as far as where the thread needs to go. I also have to be very careful too because of the thread itself. If I don't keep it even, oh, and I broke it. Wonderful. Alright, so that tells me right there I gotta be a little careful, because otherwise I break the thread like I did here. So let's try and fix that. Well, you know, such is the life of trying to fix your martial arts equipment. It takes its time, takes its toll. But the goal is to do the best you can with what you have. So you can see, it's not that simple. So I'm going to come back up to the top this way to kind of shorten it up a little bit. Let's see, maybe I can a little bit on the bottom over here. Yeah, that's better. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be better than just it falling apart, you know. Do a knot here now. Do another one. So that I can end this here. Oh, too much. Damn it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'm probably going to speed it up. Nope. Yeah, I'm probably going to speed it up so that it just goes much faster. What I'll probably do is I'll put a voiceover in it so that it's not just, I'll probably a little music, but a voiceover more than anything else, so that we can, it'll be easier to just deal with this. Yeah, this is not as easy as it looks, guys. There we go. Just trying to tie it off here. Alright. Decided to put it on the floor. Hopefully it gives me a better angle to the arm. Looks like it might. I guess I wasn't completely done. Remember I told you I was going to go back and fix that beginning part? Yeah, that's what I got to do. So let's try this again. So let's see here. Again, not the prettiest, guys, but let's see how long that holds. All right, thank you for watching. I'm definitely going to speed this whole process up, put it on Instagram and stuff. Thanks.